Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a subdivision of the Errol Flynn Estate. This home, sitting on 1 acre, is ideally located to give you amazing sea views, peace and calm from the tranquility of the surroundings, and an amazing floor space of 2,600 square feet. Friendship is an established district with equally substantial homes nearby, and just a few minutes from Boston Beach and Boston Jerk Center. The home is on one level with beautiful vaulted wooden ceilings throughout. There are 4 good-sized bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The premier bedroom has an ensuite bathroom with its own balcony for you to enjoy the local views and the beautiful Caribbean Sea. In addition, the home has ample water storage facilities, including an underground tank, solar panels that provide your hot water, security lights, electric gates, and cable and internet connection. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 55 million or US $357.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.